Most students don't struggle with intelligence, they struggle with focus. I used to sit at my desk for hours, but only get 30 minutes of real work done. So I simplified everything. These are 3 tools I use every day to stay focused as a student. First tool is my IDE, which is PyCharm. If you don't know what it is, an IDE is basically a workspace where you write and manage your code. But for me, PyCharm isn't just where I write code, it's my command center. Instead of writing code in random files, everything is structured into projects. I can run code instantly, debug errors efficiently, organize files clearly, and track changes. These features can actually be found on VS Code too. However, I just prefer the organization and the structure of PyCharm more. When my workspace is clean, my thinking becomes clean too. The biggest distraction when coding isn't your phone, it's confusion, and PyCharm helps me remove that. When I open PyCharm, my brain switches into build mode. It's like stepping into a focused environment. That mental association matters. Second tool is my Focus Timer app. Many of you may have found growing tree apps. Mine is similar to that, but uses a mountain climber instead. You climb different mountains. The longer you go, the higher up you reach inside that mountain, and then you get a little bit of achievement every time you finish a study session. When I set a 25-minute timer, the rule is simple. No distractions, no switching tasks, and no checking for notifications. If I leave the app, the climb stops. It sounds simple, but the visual progress matters. Each session feels like progress, not motivation, progress. And stacking those small climbs makes long study days manageable. Instead of thinking, I have to study for 4 hours, I think, I just need 1 climb. Last but not least, the third tool, which is music playlist. For me, I use a YouTube Music as I paid for YouTube Premium, so I typically use a 3-hour coding playlist on YouTube. No lyrics, no loud beats, just consistent background sound. Why? Because silence sometimes feels heavy, and random music can be distracting. But a familiar playlist becomes a signal. When I press play, it tells my brain, it's time to focus. Over time, your brain associates that with deep work. It becomes automatic. So that's it. Nothing complicated, 1 structured workspace, 1 focus system, 1 consistent sound environment. That's my setup. Focus isn't about being intense. It's about removing distractions before they start. If you're struggling with staying focused, don't try to overhaul your entire life. Just fix your environment, 1 tool at a time. I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just trying to build a better system. And this is what's working for me. Thank you for watching.